welcome to a new video. So today I'm gonna make a glowing apple logo, which I'm gonna 3D print. So this is the first part. It exists out of 3 parts. And here are the other 2. It's now printing this one, and these 2 still have to be done after that. And as you can see, it's already working on its first, on the one you just saw. So that already looks pretty sick. As you can see, the first part is already, and I'm gonna print now the last 2 parts. So when I've done all these, I will be continuing this video. See, all the parts are ready, but I think it would be looking a bit better if this part, which is over the Apple logo, is black, so it will show less light. So I'm gonna print that again, but then in black. As you can see, I got all the 3 parts ready, and I already tested this black version instead of the white one, and it's much better because just you won't see the light through this, but you will through this, so that's pretty nice. And I also already got here the controller, a LED strip just from wiring. So I will make all that a bit and see how it will look, and I will see you at the ending. You can see I got the lights in there, and I think the green doesn't work, but I'm okay with that. But this was a hell of a work to do. So I really hope it will work after I finish the project, but let's see that. As you can see, my glowing apple logo is all finished, and it looks pretty sick. Only this part is black because I didn't had no more. So I got here my controller, and I will do some different colors. So that also works pretty good, and on camera it looks like sometimes this is very bright, but but it's just the same as the whole logo. But it looks pretty sick. I want to do some more from Android and all this stuff, and this wasn't my 3D model, by the way, so a link to the one from who it is will be down in the description. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.